Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. While watching this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to it and follow it to get the latest opportunity. You might have heard about this affiliate marketing. It provides a work from home opportunity. Initially 1 or 2 months you have to work hard in order to earn the money and in order to become a boss of your own business. Okay. First of all, for doing this, you need a requisite of website as well as you need to create a blog. Kindly do the research of how to create a website by your own. If you are not able to create a website, you can approach any of the startup company for the basic pay of rupees, starting from the rupees 10, I mean 1,000, and you can approach any company or else by your own you can use a website like GoDaddy, WordPress, for creating the website. Then create a blog, right? You can create a blog and become an author of your own. Choose any of the niche. Kindly browse more for doing the digital marketing if you are interested to do your own business. This is the video for those who want to earn money from home and in order to do the business. And if you are searching for teaching job, you should not continue watching this video. My kind request is that don't continue watching this video if you are searching for only teaching opportunity. But if you are interested in doing the business, you can watch this video. I will tell you how you can earn the money. Here, this is the website timesnownews.com. Okay. So on this website, these are all their own content, and you might see the advertisement that appears on the screen. Okay, this is the advertisement and this is the advertisement. Okay, how this advertisement is displayed in this website. First of all, consider this is your own website. These are all the contents you have posted in your website. Okay, if I am the user going to click on this advertisement that is posted by you are the person who is the author and owner of your own website, right? Now, in order to display an advertisement, you need to join that advertisement program that is called as affiliate programs. Okay. So first you create a website and a blog. Afterwards, you have to join the affiliate program in order to display the advertisements like this. I will tell you how you can earn the money. Once after displaying this ads, for every 100 click, the companies will provide you certain amount. Say for example, per 100 click, that is for every 100 click, you might earn $3 to $6. Okay. So if there are more traffic to your website and they are clicking on the advertisement that you are displaying in your website, accordingly you can earn a lot. Okay. Now I will explain you about that training program, that is affiliate program. First of all, you should go to this website www.admitad.com. The procedure for joining this program is, first of all, you should have a website and you should have a blog content. Before joining this website, AdmitAd, in your blog, you should have 1 or 2 content. Okay. If you are a fresher, have 1 or 2 content in your blog, create a website and then join this AdmitAd program. Okay. Why I am suggesting this program in the sense, this admit ad will provide you money within a week. So you should not wait for a long time for reaching out the threshold like $100. Okay. Once if you reach 1,000 rupees, you can able to debit it. Okay. So you go to this website admitad.com/in, and in that you just click on the option sign up as a publisher. All right. After signing up as a publisher, you will have the page like this. In that, you need to give all your details. Click on to this 2 checkbox and click on to sign up. Okay. After clicking on to sign up, you just log in using your username and the password you have provided. Okay. So username and password you have provided, then you will have the page that will contain ad space. So click on to this ad space and the page will appear like this. You just click onto the website, because through your website alone you are going to promote the advertisement. That is, you are going to paste the ads. Okay, so click on to advertisement, click on to website and click next. Then you click other option and click next. Other option and click next. In the other option, what is the thing you need to give us? Just to give the website name and the URL of the website. Website name and URL of the website. Then after that, the page that will appear like this with the meta details. Okay, so this is meta detail with your ID. This is your affiliate ID. For each and every person, ID will differ. So you need to copy this code and paste it in your blog. I have already mentioned that for doing all those things, you should have a website as well as you should have a blog. Okay, then you just click on to the blog and click theme. There you will have a edit HTML option. Just click on that, edit HTML. There you will see the head option. Okay, so under this head you have to copy and paste that meta code. Okay, so meta code, you can see the example here. Under the head, you have to copy the code and paste it below the head. After pasting it, just click on to save theme option. Okay. So now you have saved this ID in your blog. Okay. After joining the affiliate program, now you are just embedding your affiliate ID into your blogging. All right. After saving the theme, you will have the message that will appear in your admit ad profile. Ad space verified successfully. Only after pasting the code successfully on your blog, you will see this message. Okay. Now you have successfully signed in as a admit ad publisher. All right. So then after doing all these things, you might see your page that will appear like this. Okay. Now click on to add space. Here what you need to do is you need to activate your account. Okay. Click on to add space and give your bank details where you are going to get your payment for your activities. Okay. So now you can click, this ad space, I have forgot to tell this. So why you need to click on this ad spaces? See, you have mentioned your website, right? You have mentioned your website and URL. In order to check whether you have verified successfully or not, you can see the status. If your status is active, you have successfully verified your account. Okay. So next thing is you need to give the payment details here. Here you have to give all your details. So there will be a form. You should give all the details. Okay. So I will tell you the important thing here. These are all the basic information: address, your name, PIN code, and business entity. Here you need to give individual, because you are the author of your own business, right? So boss of your own business, you give the entity as individual. And here GST number you have to mention no GST applicable. All other details you can know by your own. Only one thing I want to tell is enter GST number as no GST applicable. Okay. And SAC code as 8 zeros. Okay. You just type 8 zeros. Then account type, account name, that and all, right? Account number, you have to fill by your own, because these are all your personal details. And this is what all about your payment form filling. And if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section of this video. And after doing all this thing, you can go to all programs option where you are going to join the affiliate program. These are all the initial step you need to do for posting the ad. Okay. Just click on to all programs. After clicking on that, you have to create, select the advertiser strategy. Advertiser strategy, here you are just going to advertise the online shopping. Okay, just click online shopping or else online services. Which category you want, you can select it. Initially you can go for online services and online shopping advertisements. After clicking on that, all the programs, affiliate programs will be shown here. So in order to join the affiliate program, click on the learn more option, where you can learn all the details, description of that program. Okay, and how much they will pay, how much commission they will give for you, if the product has been sold by reference through you, or else if there is a pay of number of clicks. You can also see all the details by clicking on the learn more option. Okay, first of all, you select the advertiser category. There you click on online shops and online services, then click on learn more. Okay, so after clicking on the learn more, you can see the details and click on apply. You can see the detail that will be appear like this. Program review will be there. The detail will be there. After reading that, you can apply for the program. Okay, right. So agree by clicking on the checkbox and click on to join option. So this is an example for joining one program. If you want to join many programs and if you want to advertise those programs in your website, you can join many programs by following the same procedure. Okay, so after joining the program, you can able to see how many programs you have joined using my programs option. Once after joining using all programs, you click on my programs and you can see how many programs you have joined. Here I have joined in 176 programs for advertising. Okay, it is not necessary that you have to advertise only one program in your website. You might have seen, or you have gone through many web pages that they have advertising. They are advertising more advertisements in their pages, right? So like that you can do it in order to earn more. Okay, so now after that, now you have joined the program alone. Still now you have not advertised any banners or links in your website. Okay. In order to paste or in order to include the ads of this affiliate programs into your website, you have to click on banners and links. Okay. Banners and links. You can click my programs and click on banners and link of any program. After clicking on banners and links, here you will see each and every banner will have a code. Just click on to the code. After clicking on the code, you will see this code, right? Just copy the code. Then you have to go to your blog, because in your blog you are going to paste this ad, right? So go to layout and that click on add a gadget. Okay, add a gadget and click on HTML or JavaScript, because we are going to paste the HTML or JavaScript code. Okay, so click on HTML or JavaScript, then you can paste it inside the content. So title is optional. If you want, you can give, you can paste the code in the content. Afterwards, use the save option. Okay, and this is all about advertising others program into your website. This is one way of earning from home. Initially you have to work hard for 2 to 3 months in order to do the website popular to the world. First of all, create a website, create your own content. So first of all, select the interest. You choose the interest of your own, and that you have to paste the content. Pasting the content is very easy. See, in order to get the content of your own interest, say for example, food items, you can go to Google and search it, copy and paste the content in a WordPad first. Okay. So in order to avoid the plagiarism, copy and paste the WordPad, then edit the content, then paste it in the blog. Okay. So first thing is create a website and blog, then join the AdmitAd program. After joining on the program, you have to copy the advertisement banner code and paste it in a blog. Okay, so make your audience more, make the traffic to your website. If they are clicking on the advertisement pasted by you, for every 100 click you will be able to earn at least from $3. That is $3 in the sense, you can see for 100 click you can earn 200 more than 200 rupees. If any customer is buying the product through your affiliate link, for that also specific commission you can earn. If you are growing your website and if you are pasting more advertisement in your website, accordingly your earning will also be increased. This is the service I am providing to you as my subscribers. So this is if you are having any doubt you can ask me, and I am pasting this reference admit ad program reference link below this video description. You can click on to this link and join the affiliate program. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me. And one more information I want to provide you. So if you want to see the same steps, so if the content is not clear and blur, you can go to https colon in the www.earnfromhome.online/. So this website and see the content, you can create your own ad space. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you are having any other doubt, you can ask me.